Hello guys, my name is Satyendra Punia and I'm your anchor, I'm your host. And if you just seen my previous video and dozen of videos, you can easily see that I am able to speak you that how you gonna fluent, how you gonna learn, and how you gonna speak sparkly. Okay, look, in India, I'm telling you one thing. You know what? India is the biggest country where the biggest population who are able to over 1 crore people speak English very well. Just because first of all population, we have population of 147 crore. Okay, and largely you can easily see that this is the population where you can are where is more than large of any country. So yes, you can easily see that. So that's why as you just seen that in every foreign, I mean continental, subcontinental, if you just visit USA, Australia, Germany, where you're gonna find lot of Indians. I mean there are a lot of street. Okay, England. I mean every continental, even subcontinental, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Nepal, and these all Thailand. So all the continental and subcontinental country, you get easily know that you will find out many Indians. I mean there are a lot of street, over lot of food. I mean stall you can easily find out. Even in China, I mean many company just visit to their employee to just visit there and just learn how the things go on. So that's why English speaking is very important. I mean without English speaking today you can't even survive anywhere. I mean in India also you have to speak English, otherwise who's gonna sit with you? Tell me who's gonna sit with you when people just see that you really can't able to speak English in front of people, and you really can't able to speak English. I really don't think so, because first of all they will check your English speaking skill, that how fluent you are, how, I mean at least be a good English speaker. So that's why just following my channel, and also my channel is helping you that how you gonna solve your problem. And today's my problem that how to concentrate study. First of all guys, I'm giving you a very reality check. You are in any profession, study, job, employ, self-employ, marketing, sportsman. Look, there are 7 or 8 things where you get a large of scope in India. Okay, so you are in any profession. First of all, I'm telling you, just at least 10 minutes or 15 minute meditation in your life. I mean it's very necessary. It's very necessary. I mean make a meditation you compulsory, because whenever you will study, you are in 10th class, 12th class, 8th class, you will have many kind of distraction, that you just watch the song, you just talk to someone girls, you just want to play cricket, hockey, volleyball. I mean there are a lot of distraction. When you will open the book, there are a lot of distraction. So first of all, make the meditation of part of your life. Look guys, this is the very golden things, and no one will tell me. Okay, no one, even not school. No school will tell you, no teacher will tell you, no principal, no headmaster tell you. They will take 50,000 in LKG, UKG. They will take in a 11th class, 12th class, they will get a lot of money. They will not tell you even a single important thing, guys. Single important things they won't tell you. I mean, until you 12th college, you will have a 20 lakhs, 25 lakhs. I mean, just open your eyes. You can open a very good shop, which will famous in your whole city, 20 lakh, 25 lakhs. And then you can become rich because why you study? Just because, just tell me in comment box. I won't tell you. Just tell me why just you study 12th college and all these things. So I am telling you, first of all, make the meditation of part at least 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Otherwise, a lot of distraction you gonna see. Look, guys, in this whole world, only 0.01% people are living life. Okay? Only 0.01% people are living life. Otherwise, all are just born and die. Just born and die. Born and die. And between born and die, this period, this time, they just through the time, I mean, they have no experience. They have no experience of life, about people, about social behavior. I mean, they don't know. They just passing the life between born and die. Just passing the life. They have no hobby. They don't have any hobby. They don't have any talent. They don't have any skill. They just passing the time. So just first of all understand this, that what kind of human you really want to become. Okay. So this is what I'm telling you, how to concentrate study. Best example is make at least 15 minutes, 20 minutes if you are in 5th class, 6th class, 7th class. Make 15 minutes, 20 minutes at least meditation every day. Okay? Soon you will get a many response, many miracle in your body. Okay? That now you are, and look guys, also I am feeling very, very sad. People who are born after 2011. Yes, now you will call me that Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Oh yeah, Vaibhav Suryavanshi, okay? We will discuss later, okay, these things. Why we are seeing that this ultra legend Vaibhav Suryavanshi, Yashasvi Jaiswal, okay, we will discuss later. But I'm telling you, I'm really feeling sad about people who are born after 2010 because they don't many kind of knowledge. They really should have, but they don't have many kind of things. Many kind of things. So I'm actually really feel sad people who are born after 2010. Now 2026, but I know what the many things they just missed. Many things they just missed. They never get a taste of that kind of thing. So yes, today's my topic was simple, that how to concentrate study, and I'm really hoping that you are just loving and watching my content. Okay, just meditation at least 10 and 15 minutes, and then you will get a concentrated study. Okay, thank you very much, and please like, share and subscribe my channel, and tell me in comment section so what I can make. Look, if you will give your opinion in comment section, then it will motivate me, it will boost me, and I make a more content for you. Otherwise I will make a content for myself. Look, I will do this thing for my own good. Okay, simple thing I'm telling you. I am doing this thing for my own good.